Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning with the coolest superpower ever, the ability to travel at the speed of light, at 186,000 miles per second. That's fast enough to circle Earth 7 times before you can say, whoa. At that speed, you could reach the moon in just 1.3 seconds and race to the sun and back before your cereal gets soggy. But traveling at light speed doesn't just make you super fast, it also breaks reality, as time would slow down around you, the space would shrink, and when you finally come home, everyone you know would be gone. It only gets weirder from here. At light speed, you'd see the entire universe change around you. Stars would shift colors, and the laws of physics would bend in ways that seem impossible. Sounds impossible? According to Einstein, it actually is. Nothing with mass can reach light speed. But let's ignore that tiny detail and blast off into this cosmic mystery anyway. Okay, here's where your brain turns into spaghetti. Let's say you hop in your lightspeed rocket and zip off to Proxima Centauri. That's our closest star neighbor, sitting 4.2 light years away. From Earth's point of view, your round trip takes 8.4 years. During this time, your friends celebrate 8 birthdays without you. Your little sister grows taller than you. Your dog forgets who you are, your favorite TV show gets 8 new seasons, and your house gets painted 3 times. Yes, but for you, the entire journey feels like maybe an hour, or maybe less. You might have time to eat a sandwich, maybe watch a movie. That's it. 8 years of Earth time compressed into your lunch break. This isn't magic. It's called time dilation, and it's absolutely real. The faster you go, the slower time moves for you compared to everyone else. GPS satellites in space actually experience this right now. They orbit Earth so fast that their clocks run slightly faster than ours. Without correcting for this tiny time difference, your phone's GPS would be off by miles. Think about it like this. You're racing through the universe while everyone back home moves in super slow motion. They look like statues because while you're living life in fast forward, they're stuck in a pause. So congratulations! You just became the universe's youngest time traveler. But wait until you see what happens when you aim for something really far away. Now we're thinking big. Really big. The Andromeda Galaxy is our closest galactic neighbor, and it's 2.5 million light years away. So even at the speed of light, that's a serious trip. If you decided to visit Andromeda and come back, Earth would wait 5 million years for your return. Humans might evolve into something completely different, or go extinct, or both. But remember the time trick? For you, this epic 5 million year journey might feel like a weekend camping trip. You'd watch entire galaxies spin like cosmic pinwheels. Stars would be born and die in what feels like seconds. You'd actually see the universe itself evolving and fast forward all around you. It's wild. You'd actually see the expansion of the universe happening. Galaxies would slowly drift apart right before your eyes, like cosmic soap bubbles floating away from each other. And the view would be just mind-blowing. As you approach light speed, the stars in front of you get squished into brilliant blue light, and the ones behind you stretch into red streaks. You're basically flying through a tunnel made of rainbow starlight. It's like the universe becomes a living kaleidoscope, shifting and changing colors as you zip past. No human has ever seen anything like it. Similarly, you could visit thousands of galaxies. Each one is packed with billions of stars and maybe trillions of planets. You'd become the ultimate cosmic explorer. You'd see things that would make the coolest science fiction movie look boring. Planets made of diamond, stars bigger than our entire solar system, and black holes spinning like cosmic tornadoes. But when you finally decide to come home, things get really weird. This is where reality starts to feel like science fiction. Let's say you left Earth when you were 10 years old. You spent what it felt like a few months exploring distant galaxies. But from Earth's perspective, you were gone for a million years. And when you land back home, you step out of your ship, still basically 10 years old. Maybe 10 and a few months. But for Earth, it was enough time for entire mountain ranges to crumble into dust and new ones to grow. Oceans might have dried up and new ones formed. Species that didn't exist when you left are now running around the planet. But you'd be younger than your own great and a million times more great-grandchildren, if humans even still exist. You might find that humans evolved into something completely different, or maybe robots took over, or maybe a new intelligent species evolved from dolphins or octopuses. But you've just just pulled off the ultimate magic trick. You traveled to the future without aging, and now you're a visitor from the past in a brand new world. But the unfortunate news is, you can never go back to your own time. Everyone you ever knew is gone. Your friends, your family, your pet hamster, they are all now ancient history. And you're stuck in the future forever, alone. But wait, there's one tiny problem with our light speed fantasy. Einstein says it's impossible. As you get closer to light speed, you need more and more energy to go faster. By the time you're almost there, you need infinite energy to reach that final speed. That's more energy than exists in the entire universe. Only light itself can travel at light speed because photons have zero mass. They're born fast and stay fast. It's actually crazy. Light doesn't experience time at all. From a photon's perspective, it travels from the sun to your eye instantly, even though we measure the journey as taking 8 minutes. But light lives in a timeless world we can't even imagine. So what if we got really close instead? Say 99.9% of light speed. Even then, the effects are incredible. A 10-year journey from Earth's view might only feel like a few weeks to you. You'd still return to find a world that aged way faster than you did. Scientists are already working on this. Solar sails pushed by lasers, fusion rockets, and technology that sounds like pure science fiction but might actually work someday. Some scientists seriously think we could build ships that reach 20% of light speed within the next 100 years. Maybe kids like you really will take these cosmic road trips in the future. So, every time you see light streaming through your window, remember it's amazing. Those photons just traveled 93 million miles from the sun in about 8 minutes to reach you. They're actually the speed demons of the universe. And maybe someday, we'll figure out how to join them on their incredible journey through space and time. But speaking of the sun, what if it suddenly decided to change colors completely? What if you woke up tomorrow and our yellow star had turned bright blue? Would Earth freeze? Would the sky still be blue? Click here to discover what would happen if the sun turned blue. And trust me, it will blow your mind.